Hey, are you planning to quit your job? If yes, please follow these 4 steps before you quit your job. Number 1 is get clarity. Clarity of what you want to do, what you are passionate about, what you can do whole your life, what you can be without tiredness, without feeling anxiety. Because when you have passion, then the time is not the limit. The hardship will not be a problem. So, number 2 is you build a plan. Build a map, roadmap of your plan. Inside of that plan, you have to take 3 steps. You have to think about why, how, and what. So why? Why is the most important part of your planning? Because planning is depend upon why you want to do that particular passion, pursue that passion. Why, how you are going to do, then it becomes what you are going to do. Why is the most important, which will carry forward your whole life. Number 3 is POC. POC is proof of concept. This POC is when people start calling you, people start asking you for the product, people want to have inquiries from your product. Then you can think, yes, what I have planned, what I have pursuing is reaching to the people and people asking for the inquiries. So number 4 and final step is quitting job completely. So in this you have to have at least 12 months of reserve of your expenditure so that you should not worry about your income. So any business, at least it takes some time to generate income, because the inside of that pressure of the economy, the pressure of financial, it will put your creativity, put your passion into the toss. Thank you very much for listening. I will be bringing more and more success secrets for you, for your life. I am committed for 1 million creation of leaders within next 2 years. Thank you very much.